What's coming out of me? Air. What are spirits? Air. See, that's the difference. When you see some of them weaker, some of them stronger. You might want to look at this. Put somebody on there you think needs some deliverance, see if God uses it or not. See, some are stronger. I had to put force with pulling them. I can put more force than that, but here it is, eruption. Thank you, Father God, in the mighty name of King Jesus. Yeah, I can feel it in my stomach when I do it. Sometimes I feel it in my brain. They used to be on my teeth sometimes. I feel it on there. Especially when I, not these right here just a baby, I ain't gonna say no baby pull, but it's like a baby pull. But if I sit down and I really pull something strong, I only probably pull about that much out, I can really feel it. Coming out, I feel it trying to hold on. I can feel them all in my throat now. They like I heard somebody say this, layers. They are in layers. I'm finna sit down. I'm finna see if I can get something strong out of him. See, it's something so strong, you see, I can't pull that much of it. And see, we talk about food. When I eat, if I was to eat, they start erupting out. Every time I eat food, God do something to the food, especially when I've been on, even if I don't been on, waited a long time to eat or like, but I don't eat that much anyway. The food causes a super eruption. You talking about when I eat, boy, they start just like bursting out almost. I'm going to go ahead and show you this too. See, this on too, what I can do. I just went doing it. It don't matter what nobody think. They hold on to your throat. And when I let them out like that, just to roll out, if I pull it, my throat some, See, they come out a little bit more easy. And I tell you the truth, sometimes I can even feel them when they try to run back down in there. They be coming out, they'll try to shoot back down in there. You don't feel it? It feel it sound like I almost gonna choke. They want to choke me. I'm telling you, they've been trying to choke me for a long time, but they can't.